all the students. Today we are discussing one important topic, surgical dressing. So mainly surgical dressing like a natural fiber used for the preparation of a surgical dressing obtained from like a plant, animal, mineral, synthetic and other fiber. So mainly surgical dressing is a material used to protect a wound and as well as heal is called like a surgical dressing. So they serve a various function for the injury side because they remove wound exudation from the side like a pus, blood, and as well as they are prevent infections and giving a physically protection to the healing wound and as well as mechanically support to the supporting tissue. So a good quality of the dressing should be a durationable or easily to handle. So it is a before sterilization we can use the surgical dressing like a sterilized foam from the loose thread and fiber. So it is a no address to the granulating surface. So mainly surgical dress like a dress or material we can use for the protection of a wound or as well as healing is called like a surgical dressing. Like a surgical dressing is a bandage or surgical ligation like it can be a primarily warm dressing. How can primarily warm dressing and what is the work of it? So primarily warm dressing are applied over the warmed surface to absorb pus, mucus and blood. So they minimize in the macerations of some dressing in addition to the warmed and surface and cause pain of the removing them. So now a non-adherable dressing are the available such as the petroleum, migrated gauze and gauze like it can be covered with the antiseptic drug and healing agent like a hydraulic oil in the water emulsion and absorbent pad. So mainly it can be used for the materials and alone in the combination to cover wound and as well as it is the main role and a main function of protect the wound and favor it a proper healing because surgical dressing is a protect the wound for further damage like a mechanically damage, microbial infection, dehydrations, macroration, chemically damage, alternation in a pH. So mainly it can be protect the wound and favor it is proper healing. So material which be hold and dressing in the desired and position like a bandage. So mainly bandage it be work it like a bandage is a material so which is a hold dressing at the required side. So apply pressure or support and the injury part or checking in hemorrhagization. So the bandages may be a elastic or non-elastic in nature. So commonly gauze roller is a bandage or the muslin is a bandage roller are applied of the injured side. So mostly frequently elastic bandage may be a cover from the roll and goes with the it can be covered of the warm side. So it and as well as it can be protect the damage of like a environmentally damage like it can be protect from the dust, moisture and other microorganisms. So made up of like a surgical dressing is made of like a fiber. So main function of surgical dressing like it is the reduce and prevention infection, mechanical support to the tissue and protection to the healing wound. And other one is the like a reduce heat loss, control microbial growth because it can be like a antimicrobial drug we can use in the dressing. So next one it can be a provide a support like a tissue, reduce a pain and increase a patient comfortable. So as well as it can be a improve a function due to a wound side and improve the appreciations of the wound side and reduce like a it can be a mainly prevention and reduce the infection. So mainly it can be a protect the wound for further damage, like a chemically and mechanically damage. So pharmacopoeia requirement in the surgical dressing, like a surgical dress before use, like we are used for surgical on the wound side, it can be covered and it can be protected from the other damage. So firstly we can use, and we should be a sterilization dressing we can use on the wound side. Store in a dry and vent ventilation place below in 25 degrees Celsius. So antiseptic will play the important role. It can be inhibition and as well as it can be kill the microorganism and inhibition the growth of microorganism. So that reason we can use in a permanent antiseptic is with the surgical dressing. So no loose thread and fiber, and because loose fiber is easily to the slip and on the warm side, and it can be easily to the remove from the side. So because we are using the use for the proper dressing and proper threading. So classification of the surgical dressing, like a gauze, bandage, plastic and standard dressing. So mainly gauze are the usually in absorbent dressing is primarily made up from the cotton and fabric. So they can be either in a medication dressing or unmedication dressing. So they are prepared by the fiber. So in the solution of the medicament and drying of the solvent. So gauze are used for the surgical dressing, maybe it can be a cover from the wound and it can be protection from the other damage. So medication is a dressing like a boric acid of gauze, double cylindrical gauze. So these are the product we can use for the dressing sense. So other one like a bandage. So bandage is also used in the surgical dressing. So it can be a play the important role because it can be holding the gauze and it can be around and roll of the gauze side, and it can be elasticity product. So it can be mainly it can be protection of the gauze for removing of side, and it can be holding of the gauze and other surgical dressing. So like a bandage are the continued length of the fiber and contain a no joint, so they are easily to a we can use